Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. It's your girl Ram Queen. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my Ogbono soup recipe. So for my protein, I'm going to be using cow stripe and cow tongue. You can use any meat of your choice, goat meat, cow meat, any meat at all. It will go with this soup. So guys, I'm going to be boiling this meat. I'll be using 3 cubes of mangi. I'll make sure I combine it together so that all the seasoning will go inside. And I'm going to be using stockfish as well. Guys, this stockfish is good. You know the aroma of stockfish, eh? I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water and cover it, then allow it to boil for 20 minutes. Guys, I love my meat tender. So this is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to cook this meat until it becomes tender. So the meat is ready and the stockfish has shattered inside. This is how I like it, guys. So I'm going to be boiling my fish. I have my egg fish here and microfish. I'll be using half a teaspoon of jumbo. So guys, I'll stir it together and make sure everything mixed together very well. So this is it. The fish is ready. I'm just going to transfer it into a different bowl. I have my ungrinded ogbono here and the grinded one. So I decided to show you the ungrinded one, how it looks, and the grinded one. So I'm going to be heating oil, palm oil on the stove. I'll be pouring the grinded one in and I'll stir it to make sure everything dissolves inside the oil. I'll be adding my grinded crayfish, pepper, and dry shrimps. So I'll combine it together and allow it to cook for 5 minutes. I'll now add the meat in. Guys, I'm pouring the stock inside because I love the stock of that stockfish. You know the aromas of the stockfish. It's killing. I'm going to be adding 2 mangoes as well. So make sure you combine it together. I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of jumbo. I'm going to be adding dry burger fish, catfish, and prawns. So guys, these things will make this soup even taste better. Oh my god, I can't wait to sit down and eat this soup. Look at the way the soup is boiling, guys. I really can't wait to sit down and enjoy it. I'm going to be adding my fresh spinach, guys. You can add any vegetable of your choice, but I'm using fresh spinach for this recipe. So, and combine together. Make sure you combine everything together so that the vegetable will dissolve inside. And allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Then stir it again because ogbono soup, if you don't stir it, it will burn. At the end of the day, you start eating the burned one. It is mandatory to always cook your ogbono on low heat to prevent it from burning. So guys, look at this ogbono soup. With this ogbono, you can eat it with pounded yam, eba, anything of your choice, amala. You can eat it with anything, guys. So this is it. We'll see, have to allow it to cook very well. So this is the outcome of my ogbono soup. The ogbono soup is beautiful. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. Look at it. It tastes yummy. Guys, come and join me and let's eat this ogbono soup and semolina together. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that notification bell so that you'll be the first person to know whenever I upload any new video. My next video, bye.